If your plant looks sad, sick, droopy, or just plain confusing, most people do the worst possible thing first. They guess. And honestly, that usually makes the problem worse. Welcome to the Chlorophyll Chronicles, where every plant has a story. Let's write it well. One of the biggest beginner frustrations with houseplants is not knowing what went wrong. You watered it, you put it by a window, you tried your best, and then one day it started yellowing or drooping or looking just a little tragic. The good news is plants usually give you clues. You just need to know how to read them before you start changing everything. For beginners, most common plant problems usually come back to three main things: water, light, and root or drainage issues. That's usually good news because it means you don't have to assume something rare or complicated is happening. Let's start with one of the most common signs: yellow leaves. Yellowing can mean a few things, but for beginners, the most common cause is overwatering, especially if the soil stays wet too long or the pot doesn't drain well. But not every yellow leaf is a disaster. If it's just an older leaf, now and then, that can be part of the normal growth. If the leaves brown and crispy, especially around the edges or tips, that often points to dryness. That could mean the plant is going too long between watering. It can also mean the air is very dry, depending on the plant. Crispy usually reads dry. Soft and mushy usually points you in a different direction. Drooping is where people get tricked, because drooping can mean underwatering, but it can also mean overwatering. That's why you never want to diagnose a plant based on one symptom alone. If a plant is drooping, check the soil before you do anything else. If your plant looks stretched out, sparse, or like it's reaching for something, that usually points to a light issue. The plant is basically telling you, I need more light than I'm getting. And if the base of the plant feels soft, stems are mushy, or the soil smells sour or rotten, that's when I start to think root trouble, especially from too much moisture staying around the roots for too long. So before you water, move, fertilize, panic, or start apologizing to the plant, check these things first. First, check the soil. Is it dry, slightly moist, or soaking wet? Second, check the light. Not the room, the actual spot where the plant is living. Third, check the pot. Does it have drainage? Is it sitting in excess water? Is the soil staying wet too long? The biggest mistakes beginners make is changing too many things at once. They water more, move the plant, add fertilizer, repot it, and then hope for the best. But if you change everything, you never learn what the actual problem was. If your plant is struggling, that does not automatically mean you're bad at this. Learning plants is a lot of observation, a little patience, and a lot of trial and error. The goal isn't to become perfect overnight. The goal is to stop guessing and start noticing. And if you do that, you'll get better with every plant you grow. Thanks for watching the Chlorophyll Chronicles. If this is your first time here, my name is Tim. Welcome. If it's not, welcome back. We appreciate you being here.